Hello, it's Catherine. Good afternoon. This section we will introduce how to sort out your luggages when you board on the train. And I have 3 pieces of luggages. This black one is my handbag. Inside is my laptop. And this purple bag is a big bag, and I put my winter clothes, winter boots, and sweaters, everything, some living stuffs in the inside. And this bag the plastic bag is the food and the vegetables, also the fruit I will eat on the train. Okay, please follow me. We'll go inside the cabin, and I will show you how to sort out your luggages inside the cabin. Let me show you how to sort out your luggages when you get on the train. Firstly, this big bag. And the first place is under the lower bed. Okay. Okay, you can put it in, and I think it's about 30 cm high. So I can put this kit inside. Okay. Another place you can put your luggage is under the roof. There's a luggage storage place behind the two TVs. Behind the two TVs, you can put your bag in that. Okay. For this handbag, because it includes my passport, my ID card, and my wallet and laptops, very important thing. So I need to take it with me all the time, whenever I go to the restaurant, or I take it with you. And it is better to suggest that you put it the bedside. Okay. And for the personal belongings, this is for my personal belongings, like the washing things. I sort out my personal things. You see the big bag and the handbag and my jacket and also my personal belongings. Okay, here I sort out everything here. Now I will show you the basic equipment in this cabin and how to use it. Okay, you can see firstly there's a step here. This step used for because if you live in the upper berth, you need to climb up to your berth, so you need this step. Okay, and you see here this is alarming. And you can put it to call the attendant to your cabin, because the cabin is a closed area. You can see closed area, and this is a mirror. And yes, almost the time you need to lock the door inside in the evening. So this soft sleeping berth car is very safe for your personal safety and also your luggage safety. So you can lock it, and if you have something to call the attendant, you just push it. Because the train will broadcast several times a day, sometimes music, sometimes inform you to have dinner or lunch or something like that. And you can control the volume of the voice. And this is the TV. The TVs, you can control the TVs by this controller. You can see there's a plug-in, and you can charge your mobile phone and also the laptop to use it. Okay. Okay, you can see the cabin. The cabin has 4 berths, 2 lower berths, and 2 upper berths. This cabin is soft sleeping berth, and it is top class in the train. There is the hanger. You can see the hanger, and you can hang your coat. Yes, at the bedside. And this is a sheet. You can put your personal belongings. Yes. So, and there's a table. You can put your food, the water on this small table.
This is the oxygen set, and I feel a little bit uncomfortable and a little bit headache. So I asked the staff for it. So let me show you how to use it. You just open the package and put it the tube out. Then find this end and put it into the oxygen outlet like this. Then you find these 2 small tubes and put them into your noses like this, and the oxygen is working. It is available for free on the train, so just ask it from the train staff.
Also, outside of the cabin, you can see there's still an oxygen layout. And let us put it. You can feel the oxygen is putting out. So let me try this. also has carried us. So I can sit here, view the scenery while using the oxygen.
Catherine, how do you feel now?
I had a big headache last night, but now after 20 minutes using the oxygen, I feel a little bit better.
Well, good for you.
In each car, there is a sink area for passengers to wash. In the morning, maybe this area is very busy because there are lots of passengers in the car. You get up earlier, you can use it. There are two kinds of toilets in each train. One is Chinese-style toilets. Let us go and see. And you can see here, the green one means the toilet is available. And when you go inside, you can turn it. You lock it, then it's red. This means it's unavailable. Okay. And this is a Chinese-style toilet. Yes, and here you can wash hands and then flush. See another bathroom of this train. This is a Western-style toilet. This is the green is available. Let us have a look. Okay, this is Western style. You can see. And the other equipment, the sink. Okay, other equipment is just the same as the Chinese style. So each train have two toilets, one Chinese style and one Western style. The train also has toilets special for disabled. So this toilet is always closed, so we cannot get into it and take a picture. Here is at the end of the car. Here is the cruise cabin. If you need some help, you can go there to ask for the help, or you just put the alarm in your cabin to call him or her to come to you.
Hi everyone, I'm Carrie again, and now it's the second day of our Tibet railway journey. Now we are going to have the lunch, and we are in the dino car. And you can see the dino car for the surrounding of the dino car. We are in the dino car of this train is the number 7, and for each of the train, the dino car, the number of the dino car is different. So you need to ask the staff for the details and let them know which number of the dino car is on your train. And now, firstly, I will introduce you the timing of each meals. For the breakfast, it's usually from the 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. And for the lunch, it's usually from the 11:40 a.m. to 1 p.m. And for the dinner, it's usually from the 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. By the way, if you don't want to have the meals in the dino car, it's no problem, as the restaurant will serve the box meals to your cabin by a trolley at around the same time. It's the trolley, and it sells the bread and milk and beer. And it will push to your cabin, and you can buy them in your cabin. Hi, it's Catherine here. We meet each other last night at Chengdu railway station. Now I'm going to show you the layout of the dino car in the train. Okay. Look, this is the bar. It serves the wine and beer. And look at this. This is the Chinese characters 八摇一味.
It means this train serves Sichuan dishes. Sichuan dishes is very famous dishes in China. Most of food is spicy, but some are not spicy and very delicious. Okay, and let me show you. There are about a dozen of tables can serve 50 people have lunch together at the same time. Okay, let me say. Oh, number one. The number one is here. You can see the Muslim seats. Okay, the train have 2 Muslim seats. So the train also serve vegetables for Muslims and for vegetarians. Okay, and on the back of the car, it is the central kitchen. It's a central kitchen, and it serves the thing by the fresh vegetables and the meat on the way, and cook the delicious food at the central kitchen.
Now we are ready to order the lunch. And by the way, the attendant just told me that in the summertime, also the peak season of Tibet tourism, the dinner car will be very busy and crowded. It is not easy to find a vacancy in the dinner car. So it is suggested that you can come for your meals 30 minutes in advance. Also, you can make an early reservation to have your meals before the rush hour. Now our dishes come, and we ordered the 2 dishes. This one is the gumbao chicken, and it includes the fried chicken and the peanuts. It is not spicy, and it's sweet and not spicy. And this one is a tomato fried eggs. It's also sweet. This is the gumbao chicken. Costs about 38 renminbi, and the tomato fried egg costs 20 renminbi. And for each of the steamed rice costs 2 renminbi. If you are traveling alone, it costs expensive to order 2 dishes. These 2 dishes. So the train serves the set meal, and the set meal includes the steamed rice and several dishes. And it only costs 45 renminbi. And also they serve the noodle set noodle, and it costs 20 renminbi. Let me try the dishes. And now the gumbao chicken, and the flavor is very great. And the chief did a very good job. Thank you.
This is the box meal we got from the train, about 25 renminbi. It's about $400 US, and some steamed rice and 3 dishes. Seems good.
Okay, so Catherine, how is the box meal?
Not bad. It's good.
Thank you.
Not spicy. I think our foreign tourists can have it, no problem.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy your dinner.
When we get up, we have been in Tibetan plateau, and I bought a box meal, a breakfast, and this is a Chinese traditional. We said it's kanji, maybe some people said it's rice pudding, and some pao tai, and this is steamed bread and egg and peanuts. The box meal cost me 15 yuan.